So I've started to build up our project up that we're doing, and I want to just come in and talk a little bit more about walls and how to look at walls. Right, now we're just getting a grey infill for the wall. If I want to see the construction of the walls, I can go down to the little button down the bottom and change it to Fine. And now I can see the construction patches for the walls. If I want to manipulate these walls, what I can do is I can go to the Modify tab, and I've got an option at the top over here, Wall Joins, and I can click over here. And then I've got different options of how these joins are going to work. So I just clicked on Mitre now, and that has now changed that wall to a continuous air gap running along, which is how I want that to work. In this point, I want to have that as a disallowed join. So I'm going to break that and pull that back. So that wall is running continuously, and this wall is simply butting into that wall. And that may be the junction that I want, so just to show you how to do that again, click on the walls, click on the junction that you want, and you can select what type you want. I'm going to say disallow join through here, and then I'm going to hit Escape, click on my wall, and pull that back. Again, let's have a look at some of these walls. So this junction over here, I want this to be a mitre. Wall joins, click on the corner, select mitre, and then click that, and that will turn that into a mitre joint. If I want to change the type of wall that I've got, let's say I don't want these interior walls to be double brick, I could select the walls, I can hold down Control, select two walls at once, and over here on my Properties dialog box, I've got a list of all the different kinds of walls. So I can select a different kind of wall, and I'm going to say, give me a timber stud wall, and that will then change those walls to a timber stud wall. In the next tutorial, I want to show you how to start building some custom walls, but how you can start going about changing objects is you can change the type of objects. I can click on my window, drop-down menu, I've got all different types, and I can change that to a different type of window. So let's change it to there.